How to change billing address on Wells Fargo app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change billing address on Wells Fargo app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Wells Fargo application on your device. You will be led to the login portal of Wells Fargo. So go ahead and log yourself in. Once logged in, at the bottom of your screen, you will see the option for menu. Tap on it, and now at the top you will see Profile Settings, Messages, Access option. Go ahead and tap on that particular option. Now at the bottom you will find Billing Address option, and at the side you will see either Edit option or a pencil-like icon. Simply go ahead and tap on it. There you will find your current address. Remove the current address and re-enter the new location that you want to change the billing address to, and this is how you can change billing address on Wells Fargo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.